Hi there, I'm Holly Daniels Christensen and I am the founder of Dune Jewelry. I wanted to take a moment today to show you the best possible way to clean not only Dune Jewelry, but to clean all of your jewelry. We actually have partnered with a company called Lavish, and we have our newly branded Dune Jewelry jewelry cleaner, and it is amazing. I love it so much, and that's why I wanted to share it with you guys. This jewelry cleaner is biodegradable and it's eco-friendly, and we today are going to I am going to demonstrate cleaning this bracelet here. This is one of our best-selling bracelets. This is our wave bracelet. This is the best way to do it. Put it on a flat surface, something that is washable. Then take the Lavish cleaner and simply spray it all down. Just like that. Cover it up. It looks like a donut. Okay, so the bracelet is covered, and right now the Lavish is working as I'm talking. It works on a molecular level to pull away all of the dirt and tarnish and just wear and tear that your jewelry endures. So when you're ready, take it out of the foam. This brush comes with our jewelry cleaner, so you can take the brush, give it a little scrub, all the nooks and crannies, then simply rinse it off. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. Nice and shiny again. We'll dry it off. Oh my gosh, it is perfect. Voila, we have a super shiny, beautiful wave bracelet ready to wear every day. It's as easy as that. You can go on our website, search jewelry cleaner, or look under accessories and you'll find our Lavish cleaner. It comes with this super cute little scrub brush, and for very stubborn spots, you can always pick up a yellow sunshine polishing cloth, which can get anything off any metal. So enjoy, keep your jewelry clean and beautiful.